Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk with Spake.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here with us today. It always feels great to learn English together.
Absolutely. If you're new to this channel, I'm Mason.
And I'm Luna. On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English with fun conversations.
And today's topic is a really interesting one because everyone has something to say about it.
Yes. Today, we are going to learn how to talk about your hobbies in English. Talking about hobbies is so useful. You can use it when you meet someone new, when you make friends, or even in interviews.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning English with us, please take 1 second and click the like button.
And don't forget to subscribe to Talk with Speak so you never miss our new episodes.
Thank you so much. Now, let's get started. So, Luna, how are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. And you?
I'm also great, but I'm a little excited today.
Excited? Why?
Because hobbies are my favorite topic. I love talking about hobbies.
That makes sense. You have many hobbies, right?
I do. But before we talk about hobbies, I want to ask, how was your weekend?
My weekend was nice. I spent some time relaxing and doing one of my favorite hobbies.
Ooh, mystery. Let me guess. Drawing?
Yes, you know me too well. I spent almost 2 hours drawing on Saturday.
That sounds wonderful. Drawing is such a calming hobby.
It really is. What about you? How was your weekend?
My weekend was very active. I played basketball with my friends.
Of course you did. Basketball is your #1 hobby.
It really is. I feel happy when I play. I forget about stress, and I feel full of energy.
That is exactly why hobbies are important. They make us feel alive.
Yes, so maybe that's a good way to start today's lesson. A hobby is something you enjoy doing in your free time, something that makes you happy.
Perfect definition. And hobbies can be many things: active, creative, relaxing, social, adventurous. There is no limit.
Exactly. And today, we will talk about our hobbies, describe them in simple English, and help you talk about your hobbies too.
Starting the real discussion. Okay, Mason, let's begin with you. What is one of your hobbies?
I will start with the obvious one, basketball.
Yes.
I play basketball about 3 times a week, usually in the evening,
Why do you enjoy it so much?
because it helps me relax and stay healthy. And I love spending time with my friends. We laugh a lot. Sometimes we play seriously. Sometimes we are just silly.
I can imagine that.
Now, your turn, Luna. What's one of your hobbies?
My hobby is drawing. I like to draw on paper, on my tablet, and sometimes I paint too,
Why do you love drawing?
because it helps me express my emotions. When I draw, time moves fast. I don't think about problems. I just feel peaceful.
That is beautiful.
Thank you.
So, now you can already see, when you talk about hobbies, you can say 3 things. 1, what the hobby is. 2, how often you do it. 3, why you enjoy it.
Yes, those 3 points are very important when describing hobbies.
For example, my hobby is basketball. I play 3 times a week. I enjoy it because it keeps me healthy and makes me happy.
Or, my hobby is drawing. I draw every weekend. I love it because I feel calm when I draw.
So now, dear viewers, start thinking about your hobby. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Just think in simple sentences.
So, Mason, we talked about basketball and drawing. But, of course, people usually have more than one hobby.
Yes, absolutely. I have many. Should we talk about a second hobby each?
Great idea. You go first this time.
Okay. My second hobby is playing the guitar.
Oh, yes, I forgot about that. You are good at the guitar.
Thank you. I'm not a professional, but I love playing. I usually play in the evening at home, maybe 3 or 4 times a week.
And why do you enjoy it?
Because music helps me relax and express myself. And when I learn a new song, I feel proud. It's a great feeling.
I understand. Music really touches emotions.
Yes. Okay, now it's your turn. What is your second hobby?
Hmm. My second hobby is baking.
Really? Baking?
Yes, I love baking cookies, cakes, and brownies.
Ah, that explains why you always bring snacks to the studio.
Yes, I do. Baking makes me happy. I usually bake on Sundays when I have time
And why do you like it?
because it feels warm and comforting. And I like giving food to people I love. When someone enjoys something I made, it's a special feeling.
That is so sweet, literally and emotionally.
Thank you.
Social versus relaxing hobbies. So your hobbies are drawing and baking. Mine are basketball and playing the guitar. I think we can also teach something important here.
Yes, hobbies can be social or relaxing.
Exactly. Basketball is social. I spend time with friends.
And drawing is relaxing. You do it quietly at home.
So, if viewers want to describe their hobby, they can say something like, "My hobby is social," or "My hobby helps me relax."
Right. For example, my hobby is dancing because I like meeting new people. Or, my hobby is reading because it makes me feel calm.
Can I ask something?
Of course.
Have you ever tried a hobby you didn't like?
Oh, yes, yoga.
Really? Most people love yoga.
I know, but it didn't work for me. My body felt too stiff. I couldn't relax. Everyone around me looked peaceful, and I looked like a confused robot.
A confused robot.
Yes, I was trying to balance, but I was shaking like crazy. It was embarrassing.
But see, that is also useful English. You can say, "I tried a hobby, but I didn't enjoy it."
True, not every hobby will be your hobby, and that's okay.
Do you want to know a hobby I didn't enjoy?
Yes, tell me.
Swimming.
Oh, that is surprising.
I know, people think everyone likes swimming, but I don't. I feel tired quickly and I don't like water in my ears. I tried, but it wasn't my hobby.
That is totally fine. Not everything is for everyone.
So viewers, here's an important language tip. Talking about hobbies is one of the best ways to start a conversation in English.
Yes. When you meet someone new, you can ask, "What are your hobbies?" Or, "What do you like to do in your free time?"
And you can answer simply, "My hobby is watching movies. I watch movies every weekend because they make me happy."
Or, "I love cooking. I cook when I feel stressed because it helps me relax."
It doesn't need to be complicated. Simple English is enough.
Let's give our viewers more hobby ideas to think about.
Great idea. I'll say a hobby, and you say why someone might enjoy it. Ready?
Ready?
Reading,
People enjoy reading because it takes them to a different world,
running,
because it keeps them fit and clears their mind,
gardening,
because it feels peaceful to take care of plants and see them grow,
photography.
because they can capture beautiful memories.
Perfect. Now it's your turn. Ask me.
Okay. Playing video games.
People enjoy video games because they are fun, exciting, and great for relaxing after a long day.
Traveling.
Because they can explore new places, try new food, and learn about new cultures.
Listening to music.
Because it makes them feel good and helps them express emotions.
Amazing.
You know, Luna, talking about hobbies is making me remember so many fun moments.
Same here. Hobbies are not just activities. They are memories, feelings, and experiences.
Exactly. For example, when I was a kid, I played guitar with my uncle. Every Sunday evening, we sat in the living room and played together.
Oh, that sounds so sweet.
It really was. He taught me my first song. Even now, when I play that song, I remember those Sundays.
See, a hobby can become a special part of your life.
What about you? Do you have a hobby memory like that?
Yes, actually, a really emotional one. When I was younger, I used to bake with my grandma. She taught me how to make my first chocolate cake.
That sounds heartwarming already.
It was. I remember she said, baking is not difficult. Baking is love. And every time I bake now, I hear her voice in my mind.
Wow, that's beautiful, Luna.
Thank you.
You know what's interesting? Even though our hobbies are different, they help us connect.
Yes, you love basketball, I love drawing, but we still love listening to each other talk about hobbies.
Because hobbies show personality. When someone talks about their hobby, you learn who they really are.
Exactly. For example, you like basketball. That shows you are energetic and social.
And you enjoy drawing. That shows you are creative and calm.
Smiles. Thank you.
So, viewers, when you talk about your hobbies, you are not just speaking English. You are also showing who you are.
Okay, everyone. Now we will help you learn some useful vocabulary for talking about hobbies.
Yes, so listen carefully. We will explain slowly. 1. Hobby, meaning something you enjoy doing in your free time. Example, my hobby is cooking. 2. Free time, meaning time when you are not working or studying. Example, I play football in my free time. 3. Enjoy, meaning to like something and feel good doing it. Example, I enjoy listening to music. 4. Relax, meaning to rest and feel calm. Example, I relax by watching movies. 5. Creative, meaning using imagination to make something. Example, painting is a creative hobby. 6. Social, meaning doing something with other people. Example, playing sports is a social hobby. 7. Active, meaning moving your body, doing physical activities. Example, running is an active hobby.
Okay, let's quickly repeat the words again together. Hobby, free time, enjoy, relax, creative, social, active.
If you learn these words, you can talk about hobbies much more easily. Practice using real hobbies. Now we will give examples. You can repeat after us.
My hobby is reading. I read every night because it helps me relax.
My hobby is running. I run 3 times a week because it keeps me healthy.
My hobby is cooking. I cook on weekends because I love trying new recipes.
Very good, everyone. Speaking out loud helps you improve faster. Luna, you know what I love most about hobbies?
What?
There is no right hobby. and no wrong hobby. Everyone is different, and that's the best part.
Yes, exactly. Some people like quiet hobbies. Some people like active hobbies. And both are perfect.
For example, one person might enjoy knitting, and another person might enjoy boxing.
Laughers, that's a big difference.
But both people feel happy doing their hobby. That's what matters.
I totally agree. Hobbies help us grow. They help us become better people.
Yes, through hobbies, you can learn patience, discipline, creativity, teamwork, confidence.
And you can even make new friends who love the same hobby as you. Sometimes people say, I don't have a hobby. But I don't think that's true.
Me neither. Everyone has something they enjoy. Maybe you just didn't try enough new activities yet. Or maybe you forgot what made you feel happy before.
Sometimes life becomes busy, work, school, stress, and we forget to enjoy things.
But hobbies remind us to live, not just work.
Exactly. And learning English can also be a hobby.
Smiles.
Yes, we hope English becomes a positive part of your life, something that gives you confidence, not stress.
Okay, everyone. Now it's time for one of our favorite parts.
Yes, the question of the day.
Are you ready?
Today's question is, what is your hobby? And why do you enjoy it?
We want to know everything. Tell us in the comments.
Do you like dancing because it makes you feel free?
Do you like gaming because it helps you connect with friends? Do you like painting because it relaxes your mind? There is no wrong answer. Every hobby is wonderful.
Please write your answer in English. It is great practice, and we read every single comment.
So, let's quickly summarize what we learned today.
Yes. Today we practiced how to talk about hobbies in English.
We shared our hobbies. I love basketball and playing guitar.
And I love drawing and baking.
We talked about why hobbies are important. They make us happy, help us relax, and connect us with other people.
We taught useful vocabulary: hobby, free time, enjoy, relax, creative, social, active.
We practiced speaking out loud because speaking improves your English faster.
And now we want to hear from you, so don't forget the question of the day.
I really enjoyed today's conversation, Luna.
Me too. Talking about hobbies made me feel happy and inspired.
And we hope everyone watching feels the same.
Yes, remember, your hobby is not small. If it makes you happy, it is important.
And we want you to keep enjoying your hobbies and keep enjoying learning English with us.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
We really enjoyed talking with you, and we hope you learned something useful and fun.
If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
And don't forget to subscribe to Talk with Spake and click the bell so you never miss a new English conversation.
We upload new videos every week to help you speak natural, real English with confidence.
So, until next time, keep learning, keep practicing,
And have a wonderful day. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.